sharing your time with us today.
Okay, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. My name is Noor Tusa. I live in Minnesota, in Minneapolis. I am not the one who had the disability. It was my mom who had she had a disability. Yeah, she has a diabetic, and then she has a complicated issue, a medical issue, and then that's why she was disabled. She could not walk. So for the first time we applied for SSI, we got denial. But when Hogan Smith helped us, we were approved with the help of Hogan Smith.
Diabetes, it's a very, very hard sickness. My grandmother, God bless her soul, she actually died this year due to diabetic complications. So I understand how you would feel. What made you decide to reach out to Hogan Smith Law?
First of all, Hogan Smith Law. First, I checked on Google, and then I saw they are the first people it pop up who can help with SSI, and they have good rating. And then indeed, they are the best people I came across. I really love, and I really wish if they have any problem, we'll just go back to them. They really helped me a lot, and I really appreciate the good work they did for my mom and our family.
How did Hogan Smith Law help guide you through the process exactly? Do you mind telling us?
Yes, first of all, I just reached out. They had a phone number on their website. I just called them, and then they on the spot they just started helping me without caring where I come from. They didn't care about my story. They didn't care about my case. They just asked me what do I need help with. They checked our problem, and then they note down, and they created they just create an application for us right away, and then we were able to get started with our case. And then we got we felt a relief. We didn't know where to go to, because we were a little bit we were in a difficult situation. We didn't know whom to talk to or to ask help. But Hogan Smith, they came in through, and then it was a relief for us, and we really it really means a lot. So on top of that, they treat us with respect. When we talk to them, they were treating us with respect. They were communicating very well with us every time, trying to reach out to us whenever we need anything or when we need any clarification. They were there 24 hours to 24/7. And then one thing, they are not located where the state I live in, but they are close to me. Anytime they were there, when we needed them. So I really appreciate them, the good work they did for my mom especially. And then lastly, they created a safe environment, where you can be able to ask for help.
I'm so glad that our staff are treating you well. Do you mind telling us a little bit more info regarding the outcome of your case?
We won the case, first of all, and we are very happy. And then it means especially the lawyer, he gave us more time. We sat down with him, he saw the case, and then he was able to advise us the best thing to do. And then I can say Hogan Smith, they're just winners.
Yes, we are just winners. I am gonna clip that.
It really meant a lot to us, for winning that case, because she was disabled, and then she could not walk, and then they denied her the first time. It was a little bit hard for her to cope up with the lifestyle without any source of income for her. But right now she's doing good, and everything is going well for her, and she's very happy. And I can feel it from her face every day. So we really appreciate Hogan Smith, what they did for us and for my family.
Of course, it's just a different feeling, when you finally get the type of help that you need. And I'm glad that your mother is doing well. We wish her the best. For our other viewers, what would you say to someone who's struggling with a denied claim and thinking about getting legal help?
What I could advise them, they should not think twice about that, because if they have the same problem they are facing, they should just come to Hogan Smith, because they don't lose anything by trying, because Hogan Smith is there. They don't judge people until maybe you won your case, and then if you lose your case also, they don't charge you anything. So
That's Hogan Smith. We try until we succeed, and of course, you pay nothing unless we win.
Yep.
So yeah, that's about all the questions I have today, Noor. Thank you so much. I hope your mother is doing well today and tomorrow, and you guys forever. So we're creating this video to remind others that help is out there, and that Hogan Smith Law knows how to win these cases. And without the right help, people could be losing out on the benefits that they need and deserve.
Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time and everything you're doing for us. It really means a lot.